She barged into the courtroom like she owned the place, heels clacking louder than her voice. "Your Honor, this man is illegally occupying a property under HOA violation," she snapped, pointing straight at me like I was some criminal. I didn't flinch. I just slid the folder closer to my attorney, because I already knew what was inside. 2 weeks ago, she taped an eviction notice to my front door. It had an official-looking HOA stamp and a signature from someone named Rebecca L. Turner. HOA chair. The thing is, I am the HOA chair. Elected 3 months ago after we removed her for misconduct. She forged it. She didn't just fake a name, she signed mine. And now here we were in court, her confidently waving that forged document like it was gold. I could see the judge eyeing it, confused. He adjusted his glasses, looked at me, then back at her. "I'd like to submit these documents into evidence," she said smugly. My attorney stood, calm, unshaken. "Your Honor, we'd also like to submit proof that the signature on that document does not belong to Ms. Turner because she is seated right here." The room went quiet. Her face twisted, confused, scared. I leaned forward and finally spoke. "I don't know who signed that paper, but it wasn't me." The judge tilted his head. "Wait, you're Rebecca L. Turner?" "Yes, Your Honor. Elected on May 14th, she was removed for abusing power and violating HOA rules." She turned pale. Her mouth opened like she wanted to speak, but nothing came out. The judge's voice dropped, stern, cold. "Ma'am, are you aware that forging legal documents, especially with the intent to deceive the court, is a felony in this state?" She stuttered, I thought, I didn't know." Bailiffs moved forward. Her voice cracked. "You can't do this. He's the fraud. I own that neighborhood." But the cuffs were already out. And the courtroom, absolutely silent. She screamed all the way down the hallway, swearing she'd sue everyone, me, the judge, the entire county if she had to. But inside that courtroom, the air had already shifted. People whispered. Even the clerk gave me a look like, did that really just happen? I didn't celebrate. Not yet, because I knew her. Karen didn't go down that easy. 2 days later, I found out how right I was. A county officer knocked on my door. He wasn't rude, but he wasn't smiling either. "Mr. Turner, you've been named in a complaint for harassment and impersonating a public official." "What?" I asked, stunned. "She's the one who faked my signature." He handed over a folder. Inside was a brand new set of documents, this time claiming I had posed as the HOA chair and kicked her